Hello dear students, we have a question, that is the in-text question. The question says that list the points of difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. We have already seen the properties, now we are going to study the differences. The points of difference are as follow. Number 1, homogeneous mixture has a uniform composition. It means composition is same throughout or same everywhere in the mixture. Heterogeneous mixture has non-uniform composition. It means composition is not same throughout or not same everywhere in the mixture. The examples: homogeneous mixture has the examples like sugar in water, salt in water, sulfur in carbon disulfide, water in alcohol. And the examples of heterogeneous mixtures are sand and salt, sugar and salt, and water in oil. Now we are going to study about the solution. So let us look at the definition of solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The examples are lemonade. Lemonade is the mixture of water and lemon juice or water and sugar. We sometimes add salt also into the lemonade. Then we have soda water. Soda water is the mixture of carbon dioxide gas and water. Salt in water, that is the mixture of common salt, sodium chloride in water. Sugar is sugar in water, that is the mixture of sugar in water, which is also known as sucrose. Then we have the example alcohol in water. Alcohol, when we add in water, it makes solution. Then when we add sulfur powder in carbon disulfide, sulfur powder also dissolves in carbon disulfide and it produces the solution. Or we can say sulfur powder in carbon disulfide. We will study about alloys, which are also the solutions. They are made up of metals or metal and non-metal. And we will study about air also. Air is also a solution. So we will study the characteristics of solution. So mixture, to be a solution, there must be homogeneity at the particle level. So if we want to call any mixture as a solution, it is necessary that the mixture should be homogeneous at particle level. The particle should have the same distribution, should have the same phase. Let us understand homogeneity once again. The composition of mixture must be same throughout. The composition of mixture must be same everywhere. It should either taste the same throughout everywhere, or it should have the color and its intensity must be same everywhere throughout the mixture. So we know that lemonade tastes the same throughout. We have seen the color of copper sulfate solution was same throughout. Thus, a homogeneous mixture that has uniform composition is called solution, and that is why in the activity the beaker A and beaker B were considered as a solution. Now we should study about the components of solution. So solution, the component of solution has got two components. First component is known as solute, another component is known as solvent. Let us first study about the solute. So solute dissolved in the solvent. So the component of solution that is dissolved in the solvent is known as solute. The component that is present in the lesser quantity in the solution is also known as solute. But when we look at the solvent, solvent dissolves the other substances into it, and solvent is present in the larger amount. So this is how we can understand the components of solution. There are two components, solute and solvent. Solute is present in lesser quantity, solvent is present in larger quantity. Solute dissolves itself into the solvent, whereas solvent allowed the solute to be dissolved inside it. Now we should study about the component of solution. So solution has two components, solute and solvent. Let us study about solute. The component of solution that is dissolved in solvent and that is present in lesser quantity is called solute. Now we will study the definition of solvent. The component of solution that dissolves the other component of solution and that is usually present in the larger quantity is called solvent. So this is how we can understand the definition of the solute and solvent, or the component of solution. Now, based on the physical state, we can have many types of solution. So on the base of the physical state, we can have many type of solution. The first type of solution that we are going to study is solid in liquid. A solution of sugar in water is called a solid in liquid solution, because the solute sugar is in solid state and the solvent water is in the liquid state. The other example of solid in liquid type of mixture are, or solid in liquid type of solution are, a solution of salt in water. The salt is nothing but your common salt, sodium chloride. So solute is salt and solvent is water. This solute is solid and solvent is liquid. So we can say it is solid in liquid kind of mixture or solution. A solution of sulfur powder in carbon disulfide. So when we have solute sulfur powder, it is solid. When we have solvent carbon disulfide, it is liquid. A solution of copper sulfate in water, so it is solid in liquid kind of mixture. A solution of copper sulfate in water, so we have solute which is copper sulfate, that is solid. We have solvent which is water, which is liquid. So it is even a solid in liquid type of mixture. Then we have the tincture of iodine. Let us understand what is tincture of iodine. A solution of iodine in alcohol is known as tincture of iodine. So the solution of iodine in alcohol is known as the tincture of iodine. In the tincture of iodine, in the solution of iodine in alcohol, we have solute which is iodine, which is solid in state. We have solvent which is alcohol, which is liquid in state. So that is solid in liquid kind of example of a mixture. Now we have the second type of solution to be studied about is gas in liquid. So now we are going to study the gas in liquid type of solution. Aerated drinks like soda water, we can even call them as a thumbs up, Limca, Gold Spot, or we can say Sprite, and we can say Dew. They are having the carbon dioxide present into water. So here in gas in liquid kind of mixture, one first example is aerated drinks. In aerated drinks, solute is carbon dioxide, which is a gas, and the solvent is water, which is a liquid, and that is why we call this mixture as a gas in liquid kind of mixture. We have water present in the water bodies where there is aquatic life. You know, when there is aquatic life means the animal living inside the water, the animal and plants are there. So in this water, if we see that oxygen is dissolved, that is what this oxygen is taken by the aquatic animal from their gills. So the solute is oxygen gas, which is a gas, and solvent is water, which is a liquid. So this is the water present in water bodies is the mixture of gas in liquid type. Now we are going to study the mixture which is known as gas in gas type. This kind of mixture we'll study into the next video, my dear students. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.